What's up Tech Gang, Stefan here from TechRight. In this video I'm going to be showing you why the N200 5G is my favorite phone at Metro by T-Mobile right now. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We got the N200 5G right here. And honestly, I didn't know how good this phone was until I used it for an entire week. Now, I thought this was a pretty solid device for the couple days that I used it, and I did the unboxing my 24 hours later. I thought this was a pretty decent phone, to be quite honest. But it's definitely more than that. I'm super excited that OnePlus is taking over so many other phone brands that kind of went in the ground, like LG. So reason why I like this device so far definitely has to be because of that 90 Hertz display. Really do enjoy that display on here. And a lot of people were asking me, is this better than the N10 5G? Is this better than the N100? And honestly, I haven't checked out the N10 5G yet. I'm definitely going to be picking that up this week and taking a look at it and then doing my comparison. But honestly, even with porting in your number, you're going to get this phone for free. And when you port in your number for the N10 5G, you're going to be paying $50 plus activation fee and all these other fees, the taxes on the phone and stuff. So as far as it's sitting right now, I feel like this is the most well-rounded phone at Metro by T-Mobile for the price. You guys can get this for free with activation, or you can get it with the new line for only $59.99. So really insane value on this device. I actually did a video where I give you guys some video and photo samples, and honestly, really not that bad at all. I definitely want to take more low light photos, so if you guys want that, put that in the comment section down below. But honestly, this device has been running like an absolute beast, to be quite honest. Calls go through perfectly. The 5G connectivity works great on this device, and I love that it's stock Android. Honestly, I feel like this is a better ecosystem than Motorola. OnePlus is absolutely killing the game with their devices, and I want to talk about in another video about them hopefully coming out with a stylus device and telling you guys what I want in that device. I think that would be really cool, so leave your comments in the comment section down below, or your opinions about if they should have a stylus device. I'm definitely going to put that video out there, and hopefully it reaches somebody so they can finally replace Motorola and replace LG as well, because I think OnePlus devices are definitely where they're at. As far as the RAM inside of this device, it's decent enough to run, we ran PUBG Mobile, we ran Call of Duty Mobile, we ran a few other games, and this device literally runs like a beast. I really haven't had any issues. I was playing games on this like PUBG earlier and had a really good time, honestly. Other thing I really love about this device is just being able to look at the screen and the time turns on. It shows you your battery life right there. It's kind of like that always on display that we have on Samsung devices, but I feel like this device runs better than most Samsung devices, and it's a lighter UI. Also, the Snapdragon 480 5G, there's so many people talking bad about that just because the number is 480, it's lower than 675, or it's lower than 625. This processor in here is actually really good. It stood next to the Moto G Stylus 5G and it held its own, and that device is a lot more than this device. So we can watch videos in 1080p at 60 FPS on this as well. Looks beautiful. The colors look beautiful as well. The display looks beautiful. And it's great that we have NFC in this device. We also have these really cool widgets, so if you guys swipe down from the top right here, you guys can write a memo. You have your toolbox right here. We have our step counter, recent applications, dashboard right here where it shows you your available storage, battery, and your data usage as well. We also have our parking location service right here where you can take a picture and mark your location. Really cool stuff with this phone. Just really practical stuff that I feel like everyone uses pretty much every day. And I'm really enjoying this. The only downside to this phone, I would say, is the camera, and for the price, I feel like the photos and the videos that we get from this is pretty decent. I know that the video stabilization is actually pretty good. If you guys want to go see that video, I'll leave the link in the comment section down below, as well as the description. I did a full video of sample photos and videos on this device, so you guys definitely need to check that out. Also, if you guys want any more videos on this, tell me in the comment section down below what videos you want me to make on the N200 5G. I think this is going to be the new LG Stylo 6, or what's going to replace it, the new hot phone, to be quite honest. And I'm absolutely loving this fingerprint sensor as well. One of the best fingerprint sensors in the game. Look at that. Look at this. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. This is such an accurate fingerprint sensor. And the body on this device too, insane body. Absolutely love the color of this device as well. It feels very nice in the hand. It really reminds me of the Pixel 5, and just everything about this phone so far has really been excited me about the budget phone game again. So excited that we have a new budget king right here. And if you guys have any opinions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to know yours. What phone do you think is the budget king of Measured by T-Mobile, or what phone do you think is the budget king in general? Yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech King already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.